Welcome to TechnoInfoEd.
Hello everyone. Today we will understand the step-by-step process of filing for Udyam registration on the Ministry of MSME's official portal. This is an important topic from the perspective of entrepreneurship and business studies. Before we look at the steps, let's understand what Udyam registration is. It is an official government registration given to businesses that fall under the MSME category. The entire process happens online on the portal udyamregistration.gov.in. It is completely free, paperless, and once done, it is valid for a lifetime. No renewal is needed. The first step is to visit the official Udyam registration portal, udyamregistration.gov.in. This is the Ministry of MSME's dedicated website. On the home page, new entrepreneurs should click on the option that says, "For new entrepreneurs who are not registered yet as MSME." In step 2, the applicant must enter their 12-digit Aadhaar number along with their name exactly as mentioned on the Aadhaar card. Then click on Validate and Generate OTP. An OTP is sent to the mobile number linked with Aadhaar. In step 3, this OTP is entered to verify the identity of the applicant. Please note, your mobile number must be linked to your Aadhaar card before starting this process. Step 4 involves PAN verification. The applicant needs to enter their PAN number, whether they are a sole proprietor, a partner in a firm, or a director of a company. The portal automatically validates this PAN with the Income Tax Department's database. No documents need to be uploaded. The data is fetched automatically, making the process completely seamless. In step 5, the applicant fills in the core details of their enterprise. This includes the name of the business, the type of organization, such as proprietorship, partnership, LLP or private limited company, the address of the business or plant, and the date on which the business was started. All these details should be entered accurately as they will appear on the final certificate. Step 6 is very critical. Here, the applicant enters their investment in plant, machinery, or equipment and their annual turnover. Based on these two values, the portal automatically classifies the business as micro, small, or medium enterprise. For example, if investment is up to 1 crore and turnover up to 5 crore, it is a micro enterprise. This classification determines the government benefits the business will receive. Step 7 involves selecting the NIC code, which stands for National Industrial Classification. This code represents the type of business activity the enterprise is engaged in. The applicant selects the appropriate code from a drop-down menu on the portal. For example, a textile manufacturer would choose a manufacturing NIC code, while an IT services company would choose a services code. In step 8, after reviewing all the entered information, the applicant clicks on Submit and get final OTP. After entering the OTP, the form is submitted. And in step 9, immediately after submission, a unique Udyam registration number is generated. The applicant can then download the official Udyam registration e-certificate from the portal absolutely free of cost. The entire process is completed without visiting any office or paying any fee. Udyam registration is a simple yet powerful step for any MSME owner in India. It is free, paperless, based on self-declaration, and gives businesses access to a wide range of government schemes, subsidies, and benefits. I hope this presentation gave you a clear and complete understanding of the process. Thank you for watching.